Hi guys, how are you? I'm Mohammed Kashif Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how we can authorize an org with Visual Studio Code. So what we will do, we will create a new project in Visual Studio Code, then we will authorize an org and then we will retrieve the source code in Visual Studio Code. So what we will do, you have to so here you will type create project with manifest. So it will be a standard, and here we will type our project name. I am typing, let's say, Kashif dev.org. So here it will ask us, it will ask you where you wanted to create your org. So I will create my org in this directory. So here I will click on create project. So our project is now created. Now it will take some time to activate the Salesforce extensions. Now you can see when you will see no default arc set. Now you can authorize an arc. You can simply click on here, or you can type clone control plus shift plus P, and then you can type authorize an org, or if let me go control shift P, auth and org. So here you will click on authorize an org. So whenever you wanted to authorize the sandbox, you have to click on sandbox. Otherwise, I'm going to uh, authorize my developer account. So simply I will click on production. I also have to write the name, my Kashif dev org. Enter. It will it will ask you to log in with your credentials. So you have to provide your credentials with username and password. Let me type here your username and your password. Click on login. Now it will ask to allow Visual Studio Code to authorize your org, and when you allow Visual Studio Code, it will allow you to retrieve your source code in Visual Studio Code, or you can deploy your code from Visual Studio Code to your Salesforce org. So click on allow. Now you will receive this message: SFDX authorize and org successfully ran. So now your org is authorized with your Visual Studio Code project. Now what you have to do, click on manifest, and here you can see package.xml. Simply click on right button and retrieve source in manifest from org. So it will take some time to retrieve your data. Let's wait for it, and it has retrieved the data. You can now check my classes are retrieved, my LWC, my triggers are also retrieved. So this is the way you can authorize your Salesforce Arc with Visual Studio 4. So we will learn how we can create a new class or how we can update a new class. Simply click on class and you will see all of your Apex classes in your Visual Studio Code. You, when you change your code, you can simply after changing in your code, you can simply click on that class and then click on deploy source to your org. It will deploy the updated code to your Salesforce org. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon. So you will see my future videos on Salesforce. Thank you.